What's up, boys? This is my Creighton. Obviously, I'm running. I got an 800 kV. Got the hobby wing in there, and of course the Max 5. But I'm running. The gearing is 34/34, so it's 1:1 ratio. I like the like obviously I got the 20 million in the center, and a million in the front, and 50. I think it's 500,000 in the rear for my diffs. I hadn't had any problems. See what you guys think. It's obviously freaking just like a rocket, man. It's unbelievable. Battery wise, in case you're wondering, I'm running 100C, the Spectrum radio, the Spectrum batteries. A lot of people, I've heard good and bad on them. I personally haven't had any puffiness, any swelling, anything like that. But I got my all my settings. I got it on. I think I have it on medium actually right now. I had it on low before the voltage cut off. LVC. I think I had it on low and it kept cutting off, so I put it on medium, and then I just said, heck with it, I'm gonna put it on medium. Actually, it was on high, and that's why I was cutting off, so I put it on low. Now I don't have that problem as much, but let's keep an eye on it. I don't run it crazy for too long at a time. But I mean, this truck is now an absolute blast. One of my all-time favorite trucks, and I've had about every time. It'll be backflips over itself. So, boys, and all you guys that keep asking, what do I need to do to get my truck to wheelie? I mean, on our forum, I get that question, and a lot of us get the question, and there's a bunch of you guys that help me, and thank you for that, trying to find the correct gearing. This is it. Thank you guys, and I'll see you soon.
Drive that? Got a license?
Yeah.